What's up, YouTube? And I know y'all came here for one thing and one thing only, so I'm gonna jump right into it. Now, the products that I'm gonna use today that y'all need is small space scrub brush. This is like really hard bristles, and then also get one that's firm but not as hard. Like you can bend that easy. Like if I just put this one. This will get you right back, like the sound. I'll do the sound. Get you a pack of sponges, one with a nice hard side and a soft side for breeze to smell good. This video is going to be filled with cleaning the fuzzy croc, restoring the fuzzies in the croc, cleaning the regular croc, and just basically just getting the fuzz back from a croc if your croc don't stink. So enjoy this video, and I don't care if you like, I don't care if you subscribe, I don't care if you follow my TikTok, Prince the Almighty. I don't care if you text me, Snapchat, PrinceAllDay23, DM me on Instagram, https://princedj. Sugar mamas, hit me up on the MySpace. Hit my flip phone at 555. You got it. Okay, so enjoy this video. Thank y'all. Neo Mints. Turn on the water. Put it in here. Add some soap. I'm gonna just tell y'all what to do. Boom. Put this in here. Boom. Pour it out. Add the soap. Like any kind of soap. I'm using this soap. You just add that in there. Not a lot, because that mug will fuzz up, and then you'll have to scrub for the longest time waiting on to get the soap out. And then after that, switching around, make sure it's all incorporated, as you can see, like that. And you want to put it back in there, and it'll blow up just like this. And you let it do that, pour it out, and then do it again. And while that's in there for the second time, then you want to start the scrubbing. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show y'all the after results and what I did. So an easy way to do this is you prop it up like this, put it down, and hold the bottom like this, hold the top of the shoe like this, and you just scrub it. That's how you get the inside. And boom, now the inside got suds in it, and it's cool. You know, disinfected it, okay? So now you just want to run the water through. Let that mug overflow. Make sure you're using your neighbor's water so your water bill don't go up. Obviously, I ain't home. I'm in my dorm room, so using up their water bill, because tuition is way too much. So boom, I'm gonna leave it like this until there's no more bubbles. So you see these are dirty? I'll clean them with this one. It's like heavy duty. Always hold it like this. And if you're not in a rush, you can use this one, but it'll take more time, because the bristles are softer. But I kind of don't recommend using this one, because it feels like a waste of time. And it kind of is, so I'm not about to show y'all this. That's hard as a rock. So you see how I've cleaned all that? That's just the scuff. It's not gonna. You see I've cleaned everything. So what I'm gonna do to this one is I'm gonna let the water run in it and pour it out. And I'm not gonna squeeze the shoe or nothing. I'm gonna put it in a Walmart bag and put it by the AC and let that circulate and run through so it can dry naturally. So I'll show y'all. Yeah, it's gonna take a longer time, but if y'all using this method, just let this sit to the side for a while first while you clean the other one. So if it dry up, it should look like this. Is what I'm trying to get. So you can now restore back. It's more fluffy. When I touch it. Yeah. Then this. You see there's a big difference. So I'm gonna let this sit to the side. I'm not gonna squeeze it or nothing. But for this one, you're gonna do the same thing. One thing I did notice is when you tilt this up and you put the water in it, then you would take this scrubber, do this, and once you're coming up, go lightly so the water can like brush over the top. And then once you finish that, you just pour it out like this and you'll get the look of this. So after that, you want to set these under here. I didn't really work hard on this one, on the bottoms of this one, but you're gonna want to put them down like that for about an hour or until let it drain. So this how it looks after you done dried them for so long. I got my little setup right there, so I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Boom, get it like that. I don't know why that number's going up, but as long as there's high air and the fan going, you good. Put the Crocs in like this. This is just to speed up the process. Put the Crocs in like this. You want to put it in a bag so you can get a little bit of circulation in it. So like when the wind goes in, it'll have to come back like this. And then it'll blow right back through. Keep going. It'll be nice if I had something to like hold there, but I ain't trying to do all that. And this will speed up the process. I don't know if you can do it this way and not use this method, use a different one. It might take longer, but to have it like this, easy setup basically. And I'm gonna leave it like that till probably tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna just wait till tomorrow because I ain't worried about these, you know. So during this time, I would just like to show y'all my Croc collection, you know. Okay, so go through like this. Then I got these. Then I have these Crocs, but I just can't find it. So, with that said, we're just gonna wait till tomorrow and I'll show y'all the finished product. Hopefully this video helped y'all, and we'll just wait till tomorrow. So not gonna lie to y'all, it did dry at night. So I took it and it looks crunchy, and it is crunchy. It feels crunchy. So look, as you can see there. But last night I did something, and it made it look like this. Nice. You see that? You see the... Yeah, it's back. The fur is back. I feel satisfied with it. See? It's like a whole new transformation. So this is when I want to show y'all how to get it like this, because it's going to dry up and look like this. So this is what you do. So you're going to take your Croc that's dried up now and this brush, and you're just going to bring it down. Don't put no water on it. Keep it dry. Make sure everything's dry. Just scrub it. Make sure you get a nice for the top. Just brush it up. Brush everything up and out. Make sure everything's dry still. We use the water so we can get that smell out. Because I know y'all be wearing Crocs with no socks and y'all nasty. And for these, I wore Crocs with no socks just to make this video for y'all. Because a lot of people wanted me to make this video of how you clean fuzzies and restore the fuzz because y'all fuzz is gone. Now see. Boom. Let me touch it so y'all know. The fuzz is back. Just like new. Boom. So y'all can see like the fuzz is back, it moves. Look at this. So boom, that's how you clean a fur Croc. It's clean, nice and clean. Back to normal. And Jordan, if you're watching this, I did not do this last step for you, so I just forgot. And I didn't know that was gonna work. So like, it really got crunchy after you dry it. It should be crunchy. You smell it? It smells like the dish detergent. If you don't want your feet to smell like dish detergent, then get this. Febreze fabric, yeah, whatever. I think I just said it wrong anyway. Boom. Get about 2 sprays. 1, 2. Good enough. Boom. Get a little 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Febreze. Fantastic. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y'all don't have to do that, but like air it out, like, so it can like incorporate basically. So there you have it, restored and clean fuzzy clogs. Boom. If y'all do not want to get y'all fuzzies wet and y'all want it to stick, I'll show y'all. Okay, look, seems like I wore these enough. The fuzz is gone. It's matted down compared to that. As y'all can see, 2 different fuzzes. So, I guess if you want that odor in there, mine don't have an odor. Probably because I wore my socks with my Crocs. But, boom. You see it's matted down? Take this. Brush it. Don't wait till the last minute till that mug's matted all the way down, because then you're gonna have to wash it. And it might not be as fuzzed up as you want it to be. See, it's like a broom. Okay, got the bottom. Switch it to the top. You don't have to be gentle with this though. And boom. Temporary fix. It's nice. Back fuzz. Yeah. As you can see, I'm a Croc expert, the Croc god. Yep, everything's nice and good all over again. You ain't gotta worry about bad feet. Boom, feels like a fuzzy. Everything's back. Now I'll edit this video around so y'all can see, like, if y'all want to do the deep cleaning process, if y'all want to clean a regular Croc, I'll put all that in the same video so y'all don't have to look around and ask different questions, okay? So ring, ding, 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 ding. Please find that sound for me. We're like, oh, ring, ding, 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 ring, ding, 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 ding. Let me put these up. I'm gonna actually put them on my feet so you can be like, oh my gosh, you cleaned them. Ew, ew. What is your yet? What?